want that thing.
But I would just throw
You
it
know what?
on
You
and
know
laugh
my
at
phone is a porn site.
Hey guys, I'm back in another video. Alright, I'm so lame. Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing a prank on my sister, telling her that she wasn't approved for her phone because yesterday, I don't know what happened, but she lost her phone. I don't know, but she lost her phone for real. And so today, we're gonna be telling her that she wasn't approved for the claim, and we're gonna have the guy who we got our phone from tell her, oh, it didn't go through, da. She gotta pay full price for the phone. She gonna go crazy. She gonna snap. She probably even gonna cry because yesterday, y'all don't know what we had to deal with, but yeah, we just gonna get into it. We gonna wait till she come in.
Cause I'm so into
You have to tell us the story. How you really lost your phone?
No, I'm not sure not gonna laugh. No, I think every time we talk, I'm gonna laugh. No. I'm gonna do my start to buy one new phone.
You have 700, 800 or something on your
No, me I go back on plan and buy one new phone and pay for that shit.
You got money turn up like that. That's send something.
No, but we can't. Me not gonna pay for one last.
Yeah.
What that mean?
The turn off?
It don't have to pay for again. Maybe we 2.0.
Oh no, you don't pay for the one that's lost. So what's gonna happen is when you, like how you do a replacement, then you don't pay for the one that is lost, you know. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna be paying for 2 phones.
No.
So what are you talking about then?
If they not give me a replacement, I'm gonna get one new one.
Oh no, money like that.
So the same thing, same money can come up from.
That can never say that something because this a sales service has been cancelled. I know you're not in a problem. Because you're one. I don't know my lose. Then cancel.
Wait, so if you get a new phone, you gotta get a new number.
Sure, forget a new number.
For what?
I want to get a new number. Oh, maybe
Okay, Dimitri must go to America because why this lose it?
See me tell you when I get my phone. See ya.
Yeah.
Why you can't use this out of phone now?
Just send Jack.
Me get my phone and let me walk out there. I need that.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
That's how
What you mean?
Your service has been cancelled.
What?
Is it? Oh, is it for your can't hear?
Why you can't just use the iPhone 7?
I want back for 11.
Doesn't matter. iPhone is an iPhone. It still work, right?
You see, people get on my bank, right? I'm here with my face ID for you. You know? You know what I'm doing?
There's nothing wrong with fingerprints.
No, me never
number,
remember.
Jada. You have to get a new phone number.
What?
You have to get a new phone number.
I can't do that.
I mean, you can't do that. But them say them cancel it.
We didn't can see, but then you have to cancel phone number. Just the one of the times I don't want to talk about my phone because it's all we do every night.
Jenna, what are you actually doing? No. You have to
This
go
is
to
a 7.
What are the next thing? You have to get a new SIM card with a different number.
He got an
But it's cancelled, you can't show her.
But that's it. I'll put my eye down and go.
There's nothing wrong with the finger.
Shut up.
Jenna, look at his
See
phone.
the Jada? It's cancelled.
You're like last box.
See the Jada? Hello. The service has been cancelled.
That's okay. I think it's time that Johnny calling. Customer service is closed.
Yeah, that's too late.
Tomorrow on a Sunday. Yeah, home tomorrow.
Call him tomorrow.
But
But Jada, if you lose
that's
the
not
number,
me
step
cry
on the
one
number.
time. That's not me cry one time, so I don't want.
Cry 2 times, make us see.
Me tell them I cry 2 times.
Yeah, but 1 time cry, not cry. Cry 2 times, make us see. But you never want to be alive. I want to phone, you know?
See, Mo. I want that thing.
But I would just throw
You
the
know what?
phone
You
and
know
laugh
my
at
phone?
phone.
My phone is a porn site.
What?
phone, but
You can't get it back.
So Jada, where's your phone up for inside? Okay, but you have some there, right? Apple ID.
People send me there something.
Oh shit. You have Apple ID? Your phone never back up?
Yeah, different.
But
Okay, so you get a new
all your
SIM
stuff
card.
is on my eyes only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you
Okay,
go
so
on
you
to
can
any
get it back.
Snapchat. And
Yeah.
you go back to my eyes only.
Huh?
Point
So
right
that's-
back.
Oh yeah, talk to Jack.
Jada, me have one brand new iPhone set.
Me no man, iPhone.
It's
I
brand
don't
new.
take this video.
Brand new.
Anyway, it's just so me can.
So Jada, where you throw your phone for?
Me want to always see me that eat.
Eat it.
Me that eat and I take a dirty grandma. This is something what me feel woman not take a grandma because of she me put my phone on the bed and phone this thing.
So one second there.
Because I know she would not go to the rough in a child, so me not stop blame her. She give me phone for
But right now you don't need $200 because the people them cancel the whole service. You have to buy a brand new phone. Go for AT&T and see much
See
for
me
a
a
brand new
couple of
phone. Let me see much for 11 at AT&T card.
For $800.
$800?
Huh?
$1,249.99.
See me a make me get one plus then now, bro.
That shit lit up and I had to catch it.
You got money to buy that right now?
No. It was a girl first.
Those in the car.
No.
I'm sure you. That's like. I'm sure you. You like.
See me, let's stress me one.
What you on that shit?
Rick!
So what if you order the new phone?
Oh, see, ma.
This right?
So you're going to do without a phone or you're going to just continue with the same brand? I must order the new phone.
This right?
Wow. Oh, no, you can't give me that right now. You don't pay for the money?
No, a full price, them say. Because the service new, me and we run email say.
See, you're irritated.
The service is new, so that's why they can do the replacement.
I don't want to use it. No, for
They cancel it.
What?
They cancel based on, it says seems to be a fraudulent activity.
See, you better me tell me. What? You better dig one.
Wait a minute.
Rick, why pick me up?
Don't stress me.
You want to go back home?
You can't stress me.
Baby,
You always still want to stress.
You can't
Why you
want-
got asked for the phone a while ago and you can't never remember nothing about phone?
See, what did they say 24
Jada, I knew they know it's after 12.
No, see, man, after one we call it the same.
Alright. I don't know if you tell your babes.
So, me to pay full price right now. Me broke. My scam.
They cancel the service. See here, AT&T, your service has been cancelled.
Right, get up.
It cancelled, then cancel your number, everything because they said it seems to be a fraudulent activity.
See, mom.
They think you stole the phone.
They think she's doing it on purpose to get another
Yeah, to get
phone.
another phone.
And used to because the account is new, if we had it for a long time, they're looking at it as a scam. That's what they're saying.
Yeah.
Too many people doing the same thing.
Yo, see, man, you
If you had the phone for like a month.
Or more. You understand me? Like, it's too quick, yeah.
What, see,
You
mom?
still gonna have to end up.
Mom,
Yeah, she still have to go pay off because what they're saying now that she have to go
pay
buy a new
for, pay
phone.
for.
It's like what they're trying to say is like you scamming them because you haven't even paid. This is only 1 month of insurance. 1 month of insurance has when you pay. I want a brand new phone from them again. So I don't know, Jada, what to say because you don't want to lock down the whole account with everybody's phone.
So, yeah, me, if you finish every that one, then it's my aunt. I understand. I know me stress. Now I'm going to
Hello?
work tomorrow.
What a second, didn't even call. So when you didn't have the phone.
Oh my gosh, mommy.
But if the phone in the room for the bed, it must be in there, Jada. You need to go back and dig up the
Well,
house
I'm
again.
coming out for prepared. Go pin
So don't be talking about what it's the iPhone 11 move with.
Mommy and I grandma fuck. I don't know how to charge them with the phone. I'm not sure what kind of phone I charge.
But AT&T turn it off.
They can't do this.
They turn
No,
the-
because she
they
called
turn
him
the line.
AT&T yesterday to turn the phone off, to suspend the Alright, guys, what kind of solution we're gonna come up with?
Jada gonna pay the $1,000 for the new phone.
Yeah, we told them to do myself, vagina.
It's a location that's fine.
Look here, Jada, I'm gonna go to my bed.
See, but they want to come with me, because I'm not still, you know, work. At Wendy's. I'm gonna look at my job at Walmart. I can come back at Walmart.
That's what I asked her. They said they searched the
Come
car.
on, if you want assistant, you know, assistant.
We're looking at the car, Jada.
What?
Y'all check the corners of the car, like under the seat and everything.
Why?
Then you check under the seat of the car.
Yeah?
Look at that number, this body. Look at just that telephone last year. I'm not gonna stress over it. Shall
You
shut it
don't
down?
understand.
Jada, how much paycheck is that gonna take you to reach 1,299?
1 month.
Free.
Okay, well do without a phone for the 3 weeks.
My internet bill for pay.
You get paid when? You get paid the 24th?
My pay.
Okay, so guess what? Save after 1 month you go buy back a phone. Oh, that's all. You can't do that the phone for 1 month.
What if you do you don't want more? What if you do you don't want phone?
Well, she said she left it on the bed.
Me left it on the bed. I'm gonna go back outside. And some man did outside to a call to me and Jackie. I will never answer them. What if the answer man them see?
The answer like every man in my car and says, see you drop your phone.
No, they don't stop for me. I look them down.
Alright, we come to a final agreement. Within a month, they're gonna tell AT&T say
No,
that
see.
phone take it off of the bill
See,
and 1 month time.
you could have done
You have a style. Big your daughter have a style. Open up my face.
Yeah, open the phone.
7 to 11.
Don't go on that phone.
Put her face in that, make sure open it. So Jada, what is the bottom line? Because I'm going to sleep. And maybe by the time Jack can get up tomorrow morning and you're gone, I need to know what to tell Dimitri that we're going to do. But it's cancelled.
The
number cancelled.
Me take 4 5 months in my number.
Oh God. I'm going to start calling you a hug. Your phone lost, right? Listen, your phone lost, right? You put in the claim this morning? Alright. You can read?
24 hours.
Alright.
See when a 24 hour then can't send that a
You
mistake.
send it to you.
That is a mistake. See when you know 24 hours you don't know time.
No, I saw. Shit. Let me show you the email.
Jackie.
Jackie, I'm going to show you the email.
God, Jackie know an idiot.
I hear a fool. I'm gonna ask them phone. Okay.
Find this way show me this about that. I don't get that spin like you. We take 1 month. Where you put video on your Stop!
It's a prank.
Nobody really everything.
Jada!
No,
What?
because you're online.
You get your phone like tomorrow or 2 days time, 3 days time.
I can't take your phone, your face.
Alright. How you feel to get pranked?
That's not a good prank, though. That me look terrible.
Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe.
Everybody just leave. You gotta put that in the video.
Okay.
I hope y'all enjoy this prank. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And turn on your post notification and follow all of us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.